two things that have really shaped how I'm thinking about this space recently. One is integral theory, and one is looking at values modes. Now, integral theory comes from Ken Wilber's work, and historically it's been used in some quite esoteric spaces, but we're seeing it now entering into the mainstream. And one of the ways it's really useful for us is it enables us to plot everything that's happening that affects a particular project. So both from the internal stuff, could be psychological, could be values, could be our organizational culture, but also with systems. So it could be our broadband network, could be the money that's available, could be the ecological system. And then our products and our services and our projects and how they interplay with those things. Too often we've undertaken bits of work that have often been divorced from people's motivations, their values, their psychology. And we often wonder why platforms we set up don't have anyone using them. It's because we haven't put enough attention to those underlying values. And then secondly, and if we try and understand those values in society at the moment, there are various ways of breaking down and segmenting values. I don't really mind which one you use to do that, but the important point is to be aware that most people aren't like us. If we are interested in engagement, if we are interested in improving society, most people tend not to, I'm afraid, have that goal at their heart. Only about 25% of us have that type of aspiration. So we need to reach out to new groups. We need to people who are more individualistic, people who are more conformist and traditional, people who are different from ourselves, and have incentives in place to be able to make that type of thing happen.